Hello students, drawings help you to understand a topic better and also help you with a better recall. Let's therefore draw this topic and understand it better. Let's draw the femoral triangle by first drawing the anterior superior iliac spine, the pubic, tubercle. Join these with the help of the inguinal ligament. Carry the inguinal ligament a little bit inside, forming the lacunar ligament. Now let's draw the femoral sheath. Lateral wall to be drawn vertically, medial wall to be drawn sloping, and join them. Divide the sheath into 3 compartments, lateral, intermediate and medial, and begin to fill in the contents. Here in the lateral compartment, you have the femoral artery. Carry it down in this manner. Now color it. Medial to that lies your femoral vein. Let's begin to draw that as well. Ensure that as you draw it, initially it lies medial and later on it must lie posterior to the femoral artery. This relationship must be clearly shown. On its medial side, it will receive the great saphenous vein. If you've completed the drawing, now color this. Let's now add the femoral nerve. Remember, the femoral nerve enters into this region deep to the inguinal ligament. After entering in, it divides into an anterior division and a posterior division. This is the posterior division, which is going to go and supply the quadriceps and give rise to a nerve that accompanies the femoral artery. The anterior division supplies the sartorius muscle, the intermediate femoral cutaneous nerve, and gives rise to a branch that crosses the artery from lateral to medial side, the medial femoral cutaneous nerve. Also present in front of the artery is the artery called femoral branch of genito-femoral nerve, and also present here in the lateralmost angle is the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve. In the medial compartment of the femoral sheath lies the lymph node of Locke. Now let's add the boundaries. The sartorius muscle travels from anterior superior iliac spine downwards and medially right up till here. We are not going to draw the entire muscle, students, just enough to give us an idea of the boundaries. The adductor longus is present on a much deeper plane. Now color of both the muscles. And that, my dear students, is your femoral triangle. You can make this more authentic by adding a little bit few comfortable looking lines. For example, now here you should be drawing a couple of lines indicating the direction of fibers of adductor longus. Similarly, for the sartorius as well, you should be drawing lines indicating the direction in which the fibers of sartorius are passing. And that completes your diagram of femoral triangle.